In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can stop Instagram from recommending your second account. So if you're like me and you have multiple Instagram accounts and you don't want your secondary account to get recommended, the process of how you do this is you can't do it from within the Instagram app itself. So that kind of sucks, but you can do this. Go to a web browser on your phone and then search for Instagram. So I'm going to tap on Instagram, but just search it up there at the top. And then I'll just fill in my information real quick. Once you've filled in your information and logged in, you'll be logged in. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then we need to tap on edit profile underneath your username. And then once you've done that, scroll all the way to the bottom. And there you'll see it says similar account suggestions. Include your account when recommending similar accounts to people you might want to follow. Now you want to be doing this on your secondary account. So uncheck that box and then tap on submit, and then the profile changes will be saved, and then your secondary account won't be recommended by Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.